NTS GAT Channel Verbal Reasoning Lecture number 9. Here are some antonyms from past paper part 2. First word is tyrannized or dominant, and the antonym of this word is surrender or give up. Next word is caliber, that means quality, and the antonym is inability or impotence. Next word is valid, that means coherent, and the possible antonym is incoherent or disconnected. Oppress, that means get down, and the antonym is mercy or rejoice. Next word is repair, and the antonym of the word is hurt. Clean, and the antonym of this word is foul or polluted. Next word is persuade or urge, and the antonym of this word is discourage. Next word is imprison, that means confine or in captive, and the antonym is liberate or to free. Next word is fondness, that means affection or attraction, and the antonym of this word is hatred. Next word is precept, and the antonym of this word is impulse. Next word is incite, that means provoke, and the antonym of this word is calm or suppress. Next word is controvert, that means dispute or fight, and the antonym of this word is agree. Next is boorish, that means rudeness of manner, and the antonym of this word boorish is well-mannered. Next word is stroking, that means rub gently, and the antonym of this word is irritate. Next word is optimistic, that means hopeful, and the antonym of this word is pessimistic, that means gloomy.